How to log in to your Epic Games account. So everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to easily log into your Epic Games account. But before we do that, make sure to head down below to give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel as well. On that note, let's jump in. So the first thing you want to do is open up any web browser you have, and then here you want to search for Epic Games. Now the first result should be the official website for Epic Games, so just open it and wait for the website to load. And once it's completely loaded, you will see this sign in option at the top right of your screen. You want to head over there and it will take you to the login portal of your account. Now Epic Games has provided us with various login methods, like you can connect your Xbox account, your PlayStation, your Switch account, and even your Steam account. You can even connect your Facebook, Google, Apple ID, or Legos account. I'm just going to go with my Google account. And then from here, you can just choose what Google account you want to log in with. And once you do that, it will ask you to sign in. If you don't have an account, you can create one, or if you already have an account, you will click on sign in. So once you do that, you can just click on sign in and add email or password. But if you don't have an account, you will have to create one. So let's see how you can do that. So just in order to create your account, just click on create right here, and then it will you will have to enter your birthday. So once you do all of that, once you enter your birthday, just click on continue and then choose all of these names. So once it's done, you have to select their terms and conditions and agree with it. And finally, if you click on continue, you will have to verify your code. So let's just open up our email right here. So here is the verification code that Epic Games has sent us to our email. So let's just enter the code. So let's just enter it right here and then tap on verify email. Now, as you can see, your account is successfully connected to Epic Games. And that's it for today's video. I hope you found it helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.